that's definitely not how 7.3 should move. I'm trying to figure out here, what do we do? What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In here we have something super special. Not only is that stuff to like color match the Jeep finally, I needed white sealer, so I got a whole gallon of it ordered, but we also have some test colors for our Bronco. For some reason it's like 45 something degrees today, so I had to bring it out. Honestly, even drove with the windows down on the way here, and it is so relieving. Anyway, we've got Bronco test colors in here. Literally just showed up yesterday as I was spraying that. It's gonna be nuts, and I think it's gonna be my best build yet. I really want to focus on all the details of this one and just make it perfect and truly one of a kind and something not anybody can buy. I don't know how to explain it, but that color, it may just set the Bronco off, so I don't want to give the color away just yet. So yesterday, obviously you guys saw, we started off just getting busy. But as you guys know, for the longest time, this bed needed more clear. However, in that, this bed was not 100% perfect. This edge was not as dark as this, so it made the illusion that this bed didn't match. And then on this one, all the way down here, like I said, it looked really good up here, but I just didn't get down here in this edge. So from like cab corner down, you could see the same effect on this bottom edge of the bed over. And then same thing over here, you saw the same thing because from this edge down, it was too light. But look at that. Oh my gosh. Little dust nib there. We'll wet sand that out when we polish this truck. Here's this edge now. Perfect all the way down. It just looks so good. This color looks so good, freshly painted. Ugh. I wish the whole thing just got done. Alright guys, I actually had to just pull this out in the sun and double check here, make sure we're good to go. It looks so good right there. Obviously, it's gonna get wet sanded and buffed. I definitely need a lot more light in there, that's for sure. But also, fender looks mint, like I said, same color. I accidentally kind of wet sanded this edge of the door, so that needs to get polished. Don't mind the dullness. Off the bumper here. And it's so hard with this paint because everything turns and bends and all that, and it's like, it's crazy to like get all the angles right to make sure stuff matches, but I guess this is a little better. You can see up there. And then coming over here, here's this side, and again, all the curves and bends, but man, it's just crazy. This looks so good. I'm a fan of meat snacks, okay, but how does it taste exactly like a chili dog? Something doesn't seem right about that. Chili dog. Like the exact bite. It's so weird. I don't think I'm gonna spray a second layer of clear. The colors are cool, but I literally don't like any of them, so literally back to the drawing board. Everything on this truck looks really good. This whole side has not even been wet sanded nor buffed once yet. So all of it needs done. Get that thing looking sharp. But I'm just happy and thrilled that it all matches now, finally. Like I said, this side I'm probably gonna buff out one more time as well, just because of how long this has been sitting. Like there's a scratch up there, stuff like that. We'll get this all polished out, so all those scratches will go away. This will get wet sanded and polished. So unfortunately guys, like I said, we're gonna have to keep looking for Bronco paint. I found another one. It does sound expensive though, but also looking from here at the colors I just shot from this angle, it hits, that one color just hits different, but in direct light it like hazes, and I don't like that. So and like just because of the pearls in it, it puts a whole different shade onto that color that turns it like a really just dirty looking color. So I'm gonna let that cure, see, come back, see it in different lights, non-direct lights, and go from there. It does look good from here, but like I said, up close and indirect light, it's just not what I'm envisioning on that Bronco. We actually got the hitch. It's in the back of the Bronco. I need to pull it out, and we can actually, I gotta get that put on, bed liner, and pretty much drill the hole for the exhaust in this thing. After we assemble the rear end here, and this thing is pretty much done. Obviously a lot of you complaining, yes, we're gonna get the thing tinted, we'll tint the thing, and then after all that, guys, and all that work from where it was to where it is now, look at this, from that tan, beat up, muddy old Ford to this. But we're almost there, and like I said, I still have a few surprises for this thing that you guys are gonna have to wait for. I may throw some fog lights on here as well, but there's a couple more surprises I haven't told you about that are just ridiculous, but it's really gonna complete the whole look of this truck. So if you guys enjoyed this video, shoot it a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there and click subscribe. Drop me a comment while you're down there. Throw me some other paint color options, just so I could get in my head like, because that literally, once this is done, the Bronco and the Jeep and a bunch of other stuff, it's gonna start. I just need to get this thing done and out of here, because obviously full restorations are literally crazy. So once this thing's done, we're gonna have a lot of time and space opened up. So yeah, guys, drop those paint colors in the comments below. I gotta find one for the Bronco like ASAP. A lot of that stuff is gonna start shipping. My wheels should be here in like a week or so for that thing, which I already saw the video. They look so good. We can finish this thing up in no time. So take care, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.